Fix an HP printer that is offline or not responding from your Mac. If you're printing from your Mac and encounter a printer offline status, follow these steps to resolve the issue. On your Mac, search for and open the HP app. If you don't have the HP app, you can get it for free from your App Store or from 123.hp.com. In the app, select your printer, and then select Diagnose and Fix in the Diagnostics section. Select Start. When the results display, follow any instructions provided. Do not close the HP app while Diagnose and Fix is running. If the issue still persists, remove and re-add the printer from the print queue to clear any error states. Select the spotlight icon in the top menu bar, and then search for and open printers and scanners. Select your printer from the list, click Remove Printer, and then select Remove Printer again when prompted. In the Printers and Scanners window, select Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax, select your printer from the list, and then click Add. If the issue still persists, reset the printing system on your Mac. Resetting the printing system can resolve problems such as print jobs stuck in the queue, connection issues, and incomplete driver setups. Select the spotlight icon in the top menu bar, and then search for and open printers and scanners. Control-click the printers list, and select Reset Printing System. Then click Reset. Restart the printer. In the Printers and Scanners window, select Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax, select your printer from the list, and then click Add. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact HP support at support.hp.com for additional help.